went into the store and I seen Lil Mama. So I said I had to see what these is about because I like lashes. And so, yeah. Okay. So we're going to see how these fit, okay? I'm going to let y'all see me apply them and everything.
Had a bad argument. It's going to be hard for me to forgive myself for all of the things I said. But baby, I never thought it would jeopardize the two of us becoming newlyweds. When you turned your back on me and walked away, give me a new perspective, and here I say, nothing compares to the joy that you bring. If I could just get you to call me, just want my phone to ring. I'm just wondering, my baby's thinking about me, and not trying to move on. Just want my phone to ring. Baby, won't you call so that I can say, baby, I'm so sorry. Hope you can forgive me. Yeah. A couple hours passed since it all went down, and I would give anything to have you with me now. Stubborn attitudes was just me acting like a fool, and I've come to realize that I'm just as guilty as you.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I love it. Like, they look so natural. Like, it gives you that angel halo. Like, you know. Oh, you know how they be doing on them little cartoons and shows and stuff where they have them little fans and they be like trying to, you know. Well, that's how I feel. Like, oh my God, they're so pretty. Like, I'm definitely getting some more. They're so soft. They're so light. And I'm not one for dramatic lashes, but I think I'm kind of transitioning into that. So I love y'all. Be blessed. I gotta go to church. You know what I'm saying? Serve God. That's my word for today. Love y'all.
The sun will rise, the trees will grow. You created all of this, I know. You're there for me so that I can see that there's no other that is greater than me. Cause I had health, good strength from the Lord above. Can't nobody touch me like His love. Every breath that I take is God's grace, and I'm just so proud to say, so good to me, so good to me.